Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to wrap a text around an image. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the search bar, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to a site like this. From here you have to just simply click on the edit site option here in the quick link section, and after that here you can see you have already go to our site. Then what you need to do is just simply click on the plus icon from here, and from here you have to just simply type in the images option from here, and once you got this you have to just simply press it like this, and after that it will simply give you the option of upload. So let's say I'd like to go for upload here, and after that you can just simply choose an image, and you can also select an image from here. Let's say I'd like to go for the media library, and just simply choose an image from here, then just simply click on select, and here you can see we have already got the image. Now you have to just simply click on the align icon from here, and you can just simply click on the align wide, align right accordingly, and it will simply wrap with the text accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.